Welcome to the Financial Jungle. This is Sharekhan Podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome to Sharekhan Podcast. Today on Radar we have yet another exciting IPO, which is RailTel Corporation of India Limited. Kindly note, this is an informational piece on IPO which is based on RHP filed by the company with SEBI and not a recommendation. Now let us understand the company in detail. Incorporated on September 26, 2000, RailTel is a mini Ratna central public sector enterprise wholly owned by Government of India and administered by Ministry of Railways. RailTel is the Indian Railways key partner in digital transformation. It is an information and a communication technology infrastructure provider and is also one of the largest neutral telecom infrastructure providers in India. As on January 31, 2021, RailTel's optic fiber network covers over 59,098 route kilometers and cover 5929 railway stations across towns and cities in India. It is also an implementing partner for BharatNet project in laying optical fiber cable across 36,000 gram panchayats in India. RailTel offers diverse range of services. They are telecom network services, telecom infrastructure services, managed data center and hosting services, and projects as in system integration services. The company has also successfully completed a number of long-term projects for the provision of ICT services across India. RailTel has been awarded a number of projects that is currently implementing and executing. RailTel Corporation has established a consistent track record of financial performance and growth. The company has been profitable since 2007 and consistently declared and paid dividend since 2008. RailTel's revenue grew at CAGR of 7.5% over 2018 to 20, while adjusted net profit grew at 8.9% CAGR over the same period. It had the highest return on capital employed and also ranked first in terms of operating profit margin among key telecom companies and among information and communication technology companies too in the year 2020. RailTel's promoter is the President of India, acting through Ministry of Railways. It is also professionally managed with good strong corporate governance. Let us look at the key risk involved. India's telecommunication industry is highly regulated and changes in laws, regulations or government policy could potentially adversely affect business. Dependency of a substantial portion of its revenue from the Indian Railways and other government entities. Loss of key supplier or their failure to deliver equipments or perform services in a timely or a satisfactory manner. Any disruption to its services, damage to its network infrastructure or failure of its network, and any delay in collection of its dues and receivables from its customer may have a material and adverse effect on its results of operations and cash flows. On the valuation front, at the IPO price band of Rs 93 to 94, the offer is valued at 21.2 to 21.4 times its diluted FY20 reported earning per share of Rs 4.4. Notably, there are no directly comparable peers which operate in business similar to that of RailTel. Company is debt-free, has been consistently paying dividends since 2008. Given decent financial track record, strong runway for the growth in coming years, future looks promising for the company. The issue opens on February 16, closes on February 18, 2021. The price band has been fixed at Rs 93 to 94 per share of the face value of Rs 10. Investors can bid for a minimum 155 equity shares and in multiples of 155 equity shares thereafter. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our IPO note on RailTel or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.